devil's bleeding crude oil from a hole in his chest, and it's banging on the bedpan, dripping through the bed sheets. And all the businessmen are putting bells beneath his wounds and pawning the oil at the market. Well, his heart ain't made of nothing but piss and vinegar, and his boots have trampled